Hey folks, welcome to UnDNR Chevys today. Kind of working on the wife's Equinox. She had a flat tire, or a tire that was always going flat. Did the usual, looked all around the tire and didn't find any problems. So I decided to take another wheel from another uh, Equinox I got in the yard and put it on her car. Watching YouTube videos, and they implied that her car, you could let some air out, and this module would tell the car, hey, this is where I am on the car in a learning mode. Usually the tire pressure monitor mounts to the bottom of the valve stem right here in the wheel. Well, her car wouldn't learn by letting air out. In a tool to engage the learning system, I decided to, well, I'll just go ahead and change out the module. Well, I don't know if you can see here, but every once in a while, you crush one. This is what it's supposed to look like. Managed to take it out. Tire slid down when I was trying to remount it. Bead came across that part while I was tightening the other side and completely smashed it. With that, I got on the internet and ordered one of these Chinese knockoff tire tools. I've already actually opened this once and went ahead and put a battery in it. They don't come with batteries. And we're going to give this thing a shot, see if it's any good. First thing I learned is this right here is in the way of the door to put the battery in it. So that was a lesson in futility for a few minutes. But you're supposed to be able to take this, put the car in learning mode, go up next to there, and do this. And it's supposed to learn, engage the sensors so the car will learn its position and frequencies. So, with a lot more ado, I'm going to go out to the car, put it in learning mode, and see if this piece of junk even works. It's only 40 degrees today, December in Alaska. Yay. Ugh. A little tight fit for this chunky boy. So, got the car off. Steering wheel lock. Service tire monitor. So, alright, I had to get rid of the dinging noise here for a minute. So we're in the menu, the tire pressure deal. Set and hold. And am I sure? Yeah, sure. Let's do this again. Okay, tire learning active. Grab this doohickey. Well, the car's telling me to start on this corner. Hey, that worked. So now it's telling me to go to this corner. Oh, getting the low battery warning. Don't know if this is gonna work this time. Damn it. Yeah, it's not happy. I have to try this again, new fresh battery. Menu, tire pressure, set and hold. I want to relearn. Set. Alright, let's try this again. Had to change the battery in this thing. Turn indicator says this one. Low battery already. Okay. Come on. Okay, maybe it's also how you hold it. Hey! What do you know? It actually worked that time. What do we got? Right on. Well, time to check the air pressures. Evidently this $12 piece of junk from eBay works when you got a good battery. On this rim I've actually changed out to older valve stems because I'm putting this on a 2000 Impala. But this normally resides at the bottom of the valve stem like that. And you can see it has a little orifice in there. That's where the air is, and this just bolts onto the end. This is a T10 torque screw on the monitor here. Oop. And this, on this little plastic cap, is the orifice it measures the air temp in the wheel from. But yeah, this just screws onto the bottom. And this particular one is actually pretty small. And then you got some that are actually rather large. This one actually pushes through, and then you thread the outside nut onto the wheel. I don't recall what this one came out of, but you know, there's only 10 years between them two. And this thing here, very nice. It's actually really nice for 12 bucks shipped. I mean, I can't really fault it. It worked. It chews up batteries. The only thing that I just don't like is this rubber piece here is in the way. And now that I know it worked, I'm going to grind that sucker back so I can get the lid on and off. But that's my biggest complaint about this thing. And I would say, if you're holding it to the wheel, hold it like this. I had my best results when I was holding it to the wheel like this. Now this is the wheel that came off the wife's car. This little chunk of screw was this tire's bane of existence. In the summer, it wouldn't go flat. In the winter, it'd lose about a pound of air a week. And you could barely see the tip of this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.